Thanks for checking out EmojiKit. This panel is super simple to use, really straightforward. We just have a series of emojis here, and we can click on an emoji and it will create it. All emojis are animated by default. I can show you how to turn them off later. Emojis are also searchable. So let's just start searching something like negative. And you can see we get a series of negative emotions. We can also search things like happy, mad, etc. We also have a settings icon if you want to change the default emoji size. This is the pixel size of the emoji. So I'll change it to 150 and hit enter. And now when I create an emoji, it's 150 pixels. Keep in mind that the pixel size of the emoji is the emoji's approximate size from left to right, not the pre-comp size. So this pre-comp size is 700 pixels, but the actual emoji by default is approximately 370 pixels, but we can customize that by changing this number. So that's pretty much it for EmojiKit. In the next tutorial, we'll go into some of the more detailed features, such as how to turn the animation off, different looping options, etc. Thanks.